Right, so welcome back. Staying with our rolling coverage, news just in. The Constitutional Court has dismissed the National Correctional Services Commission's application challenging the SCA's ruling that former President Jacob Zuma returned to prison. Perhaps to discuss this more, our reporter Canny Maphanga is on standby. Canny, good afternoon. Thank you.
Good afternoon to you, Lisa, and the viewers at home.
Lots at stake at this point. So on the back of this latest order, walk us through the background of it heading to this point.
Okay, well, we've just gotten this order from the Apex Court saying that there's no reasonable prospects of success of an appeal by the Correctional Services against this SCA order. You may remember that when there was that finding that the former president was in contempt, he was sentenced to 15 months imprisonment. And then he only served less than 2 months of that 15-month sentence. So the SCA then ruled that his release on medical parole was unlawful. That is when the Correctional Services decided to go and appeal the matter. And of course, at the SCA, we've seen that there's no reasonable prospects of success there. Of course, this has just come out now, this order. So we still need to go back to Correctional Services as well as the Jacob Zuma Foundation to find out what is the next step following this order, which essentially means that if the release on medical parole is unlawful, then the implications, I think at this point, would be that he would have to return to prison or at least finish that 15-month term following that judgment that we've seen now, or that order rather, if I could put it that way. So we'll still be getting details. We'll still be giving you rolling coverage, but as we speak now, those are the details that we have right now from the Constitutional Court.
What do you think at this point the implications are for the country at large?
I think we need to find out first what the parties concerned will be taking forward from this order regarding their failure to convince the Constitutional Court that this appeal would have some form of success. So as we continue to cover it, it is breaking news now. We'll get you more details from Correctional Services, the former president, his legal team, and we'll be able to update you further in the coming hours.